Found TVB files on an old Lenovo or IBM ThinkPad and need to recover the data inside? These are backup files from the ThinkVantage Rescue and Recovery system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access and restore these ThinkVantage backup files. I highly recommend this quick preparation step. Keep a universal file viewing program installed. It's a lifesaver for bypassing minor TVB corruption, and I'll detail the best one shortly. TVB files are backup archive files created by ThinkVantage Rescue and Recovery software, pre-installed on Lenovo and IBM ThinkPad and ThinkCentre computers. They contain system images, user data, and application backups used to restore the computer to a previous working state after system failures or data loss events. TVB files use a proprietary ThinkVantage backup format that stores compressed file system snapshots, including operating system files, user documents, application data, and system settings. The format integrates with the Rescue and Recovery boot environment, supporting incremental backups, full system images, and selective file restoration capabilities. Your primary troubleshooting tool for TVB should be the specialized ThinkVantage Rescue and Recovery by Lenovo. Windows will not display the file's internal directory without a specific utility. Windows can't display the stored information, so recovery software is needed to open these files properly. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file signature. Right-click the TVB file and hit Open with. Test ThinkVantage Rescue and Recovery if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If you are still having trouble opening the TVB file, do not worry. Failure to open this TVB file usually comes down to 3 basic scenarios. Let's go through this quick list and check each one off. First, restoring with Rescue and Recovery. On the original Lenovo computer launch, ThinkVantage Rescue and Recovery from the Start menu or by pressing the ThinkVantage button at boot. Select Restore your system from a backup, choose the TVB file, and follow the prompts to restore files or perform a full system recovery to a prior backup state. Next, extracting specific files. Open Rescue and Recovery and use the Restore Individual Files option to browse the contents of a TVB backup. Navigate the backed up file system, select specific files or folders to recover and choose a destination. This selective restoration avoids overwriting current data while recovering only what is needed. Finally, migrating to modern backup. Since ThinkVantage Rescue and Recovery is discontinued, use it to extract all critical files from TVB backups, then migrate to modern backup solutions. Lenovo Vantage Windows Backup, or third-party tools like Macrium Reflect, provide ongoing backup capabilities with better long-term support and broader hardware compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.